I wasn't planning to make another deal video this soon, but Laertes Studio just dropped one of the biggest asset bundles I've seen this year. Instead of only environment packs like last time, this bundle includes game-ready characters, weapons, tutorials, props, blueprints, and a massive collection of Unreal Engine assets. And the total value is over $8,700. But during the sale, you can grab everything for just $39 using my code. The best part is that these assets aren't locked to one engine. Depending on the pack, you also get versions for Unity. So whether you're making games in Unreal or experimenting with Unity, you're covered. I just downloaded one of the environment to see how it looks inside Unreal. What I like about Laertes assets is that they're production ready. The materials already look polished. If you're learning Unreal Engine, these packs are honestly great to study as well. You can open professional quality projects, see how everything is built, and even use the included tutorials to improve your workflow. To get this bundle, just click the link in my video description. It'll take you to this page, and once you're here, click on I want this. Once you're here, scroll down to the bottom of the page and make sure the discount code SS80 has been applied. If it hasn't, just enter it manually and proceed to checkout. With the discount applied, the price should drop to $39 US. If you see $47 US, like I do, that's because taxes have been added based on your region. If you're planning to grab it, make sure you do it before the sale ends.